Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make soybean cutlets or patties. Before that, huge shout out to Na Norcor Iris channel. Please visit her channel for frugal living and money making. Now to our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of soybeans, soak it and boil it, 1 onion, quarter cup of chana flour. If you don't have chana flour, that is fine, you can use breadcrumbs. And then you will need curry leaves and garlic, ginger and cumin seeds. All this is optional. You can add anything to it. Make sure you add salt and some seasoning. Once you put all that in the food processor, all that you need to do is put it on a griddle, make patties out of it, and you cannot fail this recipe. It adds amazing amount of plant-based protein to your diet and it tastes delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.